world's very first LEED-certified platinum denim manufacturing facility. The plant, including its own weaving and spinning facility, is located in Mymensingh, Bangladesh, encompassing a massive area of 45 acres of land. A 100% export-oriented manufacturing company which started commercial operation in 2008 and became a public limited company in 2012. The first denim facility in Bangladesh to use rope-dyed technology, Envoy has a production capacity of 4.5 million yards each month. Being a backward integrated facility, Envoy has its own spinning facility capable to produce 70 tons of yarns per day. Envoy Textiles operates on sustainable production processes, such as fibers from sustainable sourcing like organic, PCW, BCI, etc. Ozone finishing process which reduces environmental impact, aero finish to enhance fabric stretching with durability, state-of-the-art effluent treatment plant, ETP, saving 100 million liters of natural water every year, E-Lab which is equipped with environment-friendly laser and ozone wash machines, and many more. Envoy Textiles, also focused on employee welfare and CSR activities, has set up a pediatric intensive care unit for burn patients at the Dhaka Medical Hospital owned by Bangladesh government. This one-of-the-kind facility is the first to be established in the country. Bangladesh government has recognized and honored Envoy Textiles on many occasions, such as 9-time winner of National Export Trophy, President's Award for Industrial Development in Bangladesh, Highest Taxpayer Award, etc.